Exploring art installations, a journey through creative expression. Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating aspect of art and creativity, art installations. These are not just artworks, they're experiences. So, let's explore what makes them so unique and intriguing. An art installation is a type of art that goes beyond traditional paintings or sculptures. It's an artistic genre where the artwork is arranged in a specific space, either indoors or outdoors. These installations are designed to transform the perception of the space. Unlike paintings, installations are not just to be looked at, they are to be experienced, often involving multiple senses like sight, sound, and sometimes even touch. Art installations are known for their distinctive features. First, they're often site-specific, meaning they are created to exist in a particular place. They can be temporary or permanent. Another key aspect is interactivity. Many installations invite viewers to walk around, through, or even interact with the elements of the artwork. This interactivity makes each person's experience unique. To understand art installations better, let's look at some famous examples. Yayoi Kusama's infinity mirror rooms immerse viewers in a space filled with mirrors and lights, creating an endless, reflective universe. Another example is Christo and Jean-Claude's The Gates in Central Park, New York, where thousands of gates with free-flowing fabric were placed along the park's paths, altering the way people experience the space. Art installations do more than just fill a space. They create an atmosphere and provoke thought. They challenge our understanding of art and push the boundaries of creativity. They can be powerful tools for addressing social and environmental issues, or simply a way to bring beauty and wonder into our daily lives. I hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for art installations and the unique experiences they offer. Remember, art is not just something to be seen. It's something to be felt and experienced. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.